Good morning from Fukuoka! Today is day 2 of our trip and we've got a full itinerary ahead. So yesterday, nag-check-in kami dito sa Cross Life Hakata Tenjin. We settled in, we tried the Kanetora Ramen. Tapos we also shared some tips on where to stay here in Fukuoka. And for today, ito yung mga agenda natin. We'll start with a sweet and savory breakfast at A Happy Pancake in Tenjin. Then we will explore the Underground Mall with its unique shops and charming stores. And then afternoon, we are heading to Ohori Park for some fresh air and a visit to the Zen Garden. Later, magsa-stop by din kami sa Hakata station to try out the currency exchange machine. And then we will also fuel up with ramen at Shin Ramen. So titingnan natin if it's worth the hype. Sa gabi naman, pupunta tayo sa Canal City, wherein we will enjoy the fountain light show, check out the Gundam Exhibition, and do some window shopping. So tara, samahan nyo kami. So update friends, bumili na kami ng heat pack. Hindi na kami makatagal. Sobrang lamig. So we're having fluffy pancakes sa A Happy Pancake. Yan, Fukuoka. Kasi yan yung Nishitetsu Station. Alright, tatawid na kami. So the temperature today is... So it's 4 degrees but it feels like -2. We just use Google Maps sa phone namin para malaman how to get to a restaurant or place na gusto namin puntahan. To use it, just type the name of the place na pupuntahan nyo and kung saan kayo manggagaling. Just select walk kung maglalakad lang kayo, drive if sasakay kayo ng taxi. Meron ding option na by train or by bus if available yung mode of transportation na yun, and from there makikita nyo na yung directions para makarating doon, and you'll also see the estimated travel duration and distance so you can assess if walkable pa ba siya. Ito? Solaria Station. Ano ba yun? Mall? Oh, ito na yata yung Tenjin. Oo nga no. Asan dyan yung Mitsukoshi? Ay, yun. So, ito na yung Tenjin area. Oh, Tiffany and Company. Tiffany and Co. Wow, Celine Paris. Uy, Moji Bio. So, itong Tenjin, nandito talaga yung shopping and food scene. Sa mga high-end brands. So, kung Hakata yung transport hub, yung pupuntahan mo or pagsistayin mo kung gusto mong mag-day trip sa different parts of Kyushu, ito namang Tenjin, this is where everyone goes to hang out, shop, and eat. So, it's 10:30 in the morning and mukhang buhay na talaga tong Tenjin area. Uy, sa left may Ichiran. So, hinahanap pa rin namin yung A Happy Pancake. Medyo gutom na nga kami, so sana mahanap na namin soon. So, finally, nakita na rin namin. Ang liit kasi nung signage nila. So, ayun, may isa pa palang maliit na signage dun. So, nasa second floor sila ng commercial building na to, and then they are just across Nishitetsu Grand Hotel. We're gonna find out soon kung bakit sobrang popular ng fluffy pancakes ng Japan. They don't just serve sweet pancakes, they also serve savory ones. So, tinry namin pareho, syempre. So, ang in-order namin is isang Happy Pancake, which is yung signature pancakes nila. And then we also ordered the pancake with seasonal fruits. And lastly, yung savory naman na in-order namin is the pancake with fluffy omelette. Believe it or not, itong mga Japanese fluffy pancakes actually has roots in Hawaii. So, while Japan perfected the art and made it a global phenomenon, yung specific souffle style that we see today is widely credited to a restaurant in Waikiki called Cream Pot. Talagang made from scratch daw yung dating nung lasa nitong pancake, sabi ng daughter ko. Ibang-iba daw dun sa nabibili nating mga instant pancakes na nakabox na nabibili sa mga grocery stores. So itong savory pancake, may kasama siyang omelette na may salsa on top, tapos may salad. Para hindi siya sweet, so since savory nga, no? Yung texture nung pancake, ganun din. It's also very fluffy, tapos malambot din siya. Pero hindi siya yung parang meringue type. So more on bread yung pinakang texture niya. And then, masarap siya na kainin together with the eggs and the tomato salsa. So nagko-complement silang dalawa. So as mentioned earlier, yung fluffy pancakes, hindi talaga siya dito nag-originate sa Japan. While they popularized it very recently, yung naging inspiration nila dito is yung French souffle. French souffle is a baked egg dish na nag-originate sa France noong 18th century. Sobrang hirap daw nitong gawin. And itong fluffy pancakes, kung gaano kahirap gawin yung French souffle, sobrang hirap din daw gawin nitong fluffy pancake, sabi ng mga staff dito sa A Happy Pancake. In fact, ang daming stirring and baking noise dun dito sa restaurant. Kaya nag-voice over na lang kami kasi hindi na pala nakaka-capture yung boses namin ng camera kasi sobrang lakas nung, yun nga, yung mga baking sounds na habang nandun kami sa restaurant. Sobrang lambot ng pancake, para kang nasa clouds. Sobrang heavenly niya. Tapos, ang sarap din nung manuka honey, yung manuka honey syrup. Hindi siya sobrang tamis, it's just right. Tapos, nagko-complement talaga yung butter and yung syrup dun sa pancake. We highly recommend na itry nyo tong specific order na to, yung A Happy Pancake, which is their signature fluffy pancakes. Para siyang meringue, para siyang combination ng meringue and sponge cake. Sobrang lambot, sobrang fluffy. Babalikan talaga namin to pag bumalik kami dito sa Fukuoka. So yan, we're done having breakfast. We're ready to explore. Sobrang windy dito sa labas and medyo masakit talaga yung hampas ng hangin because of the cold, the winter air. So next na pupuntahan natin is yung Tenjin Underground Mall, which is just a walking, it's just a few minutes walk from where we had breakfast. Tara! So here it is, yung Tenjin Underground Mall. Sobrang laki nito. Yung corridors niya, it spans 600 meters. Tapos sobrang dami niyang shops. Meron siyang 150 plus shops, cafes, tsaka restaurants. And then matagal na siyang open, 1976 pa. It connects subway lines, mga train stations, tsaka major department stores. And then yung design niya is 19th century European theme. May mga cobblestones, tsaka arabesque ceilings. First time kung nakakita na kami ng tulips before. So ayan, ina-admire namin sila up close. Ang bango. Ang bango-bango pala ng tulips. Parang multicolor, white and pink. Ito rin, white and yellow. Ganda. So, yung next naming pupuntahan is yung Ohori Park. Nagde-decide pa kami if magsa-subway ba kami or magta-taxi. Kasi nung sinearch namin sa Google Maps, if we will take the subway, it will take us 22 to 25 minutes to get there. And then, yung magagastos namin is 260 yen per person kasi yon. So, since tatlo kami, it will cost us around 300 pesos or 780 yen. We just decided to take a taxi going to Ohori Park kasi sabi ni Google Maps, it'll only take us 5 minutes by car papunta sa Ohori Park as compared to kung magsa-subway kami, yung total travel time namin, combination na ng paglalakad, akyat baba sa subway, pag-take ng elevator, it's gonna take us 20 to 25 minutes. So by taking a cab, makakasave kami ng extra 20 minutes sa travel time. The flag down rate ng mga taxis dito is 670 yen for the first 1 kilometer and then 80 yen per 250 meters in excess of 1 kilometer. So, as per Google, yung distance to Ohori Park from where we were, yung Excelsior Cafe, it's only 2 kilometers. So, ang ilapit lang niya sobra, diba? So, kaya ayun, nag-decide na lang kami na mag-take ng taxi. So, ganun din sa inyo. Kung more than 1 or more than 2 naman kayo magta-travel, pero kasya pa rin kayo sa taxi, and then, i-compare nyo na lang yung distance, saka yung magagastos, tas yung travel time din. I-compare nyo kung ano yung mas practical for you, tas saka kayo mag-decide kung anong mode of transportation yung gagamitin nyo. Isasama nyo din, of course, sa consideration nyo is, are you traveling with young kids? Are you traveling with seniors or elders or with PWD? Of course, lahat yan, kailangan yun i-factor in sa pag-explore ng bagong city. Mas convenient ba sa inyong mag-take ng train, ng bus, or ng taxi? So, lahat yan, kailangan nyo i-align dun sa goal nyo. Priority nyo ba na mas marami kayong ma-explore in a short amount of time? Are you staying longer? So, medyo chill lang, hindi kayo naman kumbaga, you have all the time to like explore, so kaya you can afford to just walk or take a train, take a subway. So lahat-lahat yan, depende talaga yun sa goal nyo overall. So kung ano yung mas practical for you and will align with your goals, yun ang piliin nyo. We're finally here in Ohori Park. Yung total fare namin is 1,150 yen or 437 in peso. As compared kung nag-subway kami, which is ang magagastos namin is 780 yen or around 300 in pesos. So, nakatipid kami ng 20 minutes pero napamahal kami ng around 140 pesos. Pero okay lang kasi nakapag-rest kami kahit 5 minutes from all the walking earlier. Ayan, warm. Yan, gusto natin warm. Umaraw at least.
Laki pala nito. Laki.
Itong Ohori Park is a almost 40 hectare waterfront park in central Fukuoka. It has a massive central pond that was once part of the Fukuoka Castle moat system. So pag sinabi mong moat system, so ito yung body of water surrounding the castle. Tapos yung purpose nito is that it deters swimmers away from going inside the castle. Tingnan mo yung mga ducks.
Alam niyo may pagkain tayo.
So dito sa Ohori Park Pond, pwede rin kayong mag-rent ng mga boats.
Ito ay
Ang sarap umupo dito sa bench at mag-relax. Tapos ang daming mga kalapate, iba't ibang klaseng ducks, tsaka mga ibon. Pero bawal magpakain ng wildlife dito sa park. Tapos bawal din mangisda. Alam nyo, ang sarap din sa feeling na makadiscover tsaka makakita for the first time ng ibang klaseng ibon. Yung di mo pa nakita before, nakaka-amaze lang. It looks like ang sunny ng weather kasi sobrang maaraw, pero in reality sobrang ginaw. If you enjoy being close to nature, ma-enjoy niyo talaga tong Ohori Park. Tapos be ready with your walking shoes kasi sobrang lawak niya. And ang dami ditong photo spots like ito. Pine cone. Diba ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng pine cone in person.
kinakain ko naman.
Ang ano? Squirrels pala, kinakain nila yung seeds ng pine cones. So yan, masarap dito. Chill lang. Freezing. Hindi pala chill. Kakatuwa yung mga... Ano kayang ibon yan? Yung pinakang best season to visit Ohori Park are spring and autumn kasi they offer the most iconic scenery and mildest weather for exploring. Pag spring daw, over 200 cherry blossom trees line the central pond. So, nagre-reflect pa daw yung pink blossoms onto the water. And then pag autumn naman, it is quieter here pero equally stunning season din ito because of the fall foliage. Unfortunately, full sila so hindi na lang kami nag-coffee. Ini-skip na lang namin to. Wow. So we decided to go inside itong Japanese garden inside Ohori Park. May entrance fee lang siyang 250 per adult. We were thrilled to see na meron palang cherry blossom trees dito. Sayang, hindi pa sila nagbo-bloom. Yung cherry blossoms dito paano no? Malapit na siya. I mean nagbabud na siya. Ba't may bubbles? May naglaba? After Ohori Park, dumiretso na kami sa Hakata Station kasi gusto namin itry yung Shin Ramen. Pero nakita namin tong currency exchange machine, so nag-decide kaming subukan para ma-experience.
Select the desired exchange rate.
Japanese yen.
Convert the transaction rate and press the start transaction button.
USD.
Yan, start transaction na.
Convert the 3 portions and press the confirm button.
Ay, your passport is required.
Ay, ganun. To start transaction, your passport is required.
Insert your passport into the scanning section on the photo page facing down.
Can you video mo?
Transaction will be carried out with this passport.
Sige.
Please take the statement. Banknotes will be paid next. Please take the banknotes. Coins will be paid next. Please take the coins. Be careful not to leave coins, bags, passport, etc. Thank you very much.
Around 4 o'clock na kami nakarating dito sa Shin Ramen. Pagdating namin, siguro mga pangalawa or pangatlo kami sa pila. Tikman mo na. So ito yung Hakata Ramen. Kasi Fukuoka is the birthplace of Hakata Ramen, di ba?
Sarap eh.
Sobra?
Hindi na sobra.
Hindi naman sobra?
Manipis yung noodles pala.
Manipis. Di ba gusto mo makapal? Ako manipis gusto ko. ano, milky.
Milky.
Milky yung ano niya, broth niya, no?
Parang may look sa akin.
Parang milky bone broth, ganun. Alam mo yung naalala ko dito? Yung nakain natin sa SM Bacoor na hot pot, na yung broth niya. Pero ito mas matindi, mas rich lang yung flavor. Masarap rin yung gyoza. Parang clean tasting. So, mas nagustuhan mo to kaysa sa dun sa kagabi, yung Kanetora.
Mas masarap po sa Kanetora. Ayoko na ulitin sa Kanetora. Masarap din naman sa Kanetora, pero once lang, okay na yun.
How was it mixed? Sarap, no? Alright, so enjoy na kami sa aming late lunch. So, we're out again. Papunta kami ngayon ng Canal City kasi check namin yung mga shops and then, of course, papanoorin namin yung Canal City Lights. Yun yung Canal City. So, na-mention ko previously na yung hotel namin is nasa Tenjin. So, ito, pagka-cross namin itong Naka River. So, ayun, by the way, yung Nakasu Island, yung nasa gitna na yan. So, pagtawid namin itong Naka River, ayun yan sa kanan na yan na yung Hakata area, and then ito namang nasa kaliwa, yan yung Tenjin. Tingnan niyo yung mga itsura namin. Sobrang ginaw na ginaw kami. Uy, may Gundam Exhibit sila, oh. Although, mas ma-Voltes 5 ako nung bata. Kayo ba? Voltes 5 ba kayo or Gundam? Share nyo naman sa comments. Lexo ni Tori. Dito pala siya, no? Dito pala siya talaga. Yung binibila natin sa festival. We're here sa Canal City, Hakata. Oo nga, lapit lang pala. No? Sobrang laki ng Canal City, Hakata. Meron siyang more than 250 boutiques, restaurants, and cafes that it's impossible to explore it in just one night. So we just decided to, stop checking out the shops and panoorin na itong Canal City Lights. Babalikan na lang ulit namin to sa last day namin, sa day 6, kasi free day naman namin yun. And this is just 5 minutes away from our hotel. So yung fountain show nila, it runs every day. Actually, starting 10 o'clock pa lang ng umaga, may daytime fountain show na, which is music and water yun every hour. And then, sa gabi naman, starting 6 p.m. up to 10 o'clock. So, ito na yung aqua panorama or yung full 3D projection, lights, and music every 30 to 60 minutes. Follow niyo po kami sa social media platforms namin. Naka-flash po sa screen yung aming mga social handles. And if nagustuhan niyo yung video namin or yung mga tips na na-share namin in this video, please like and subscribe. It will help us sustain na makapagbigay pa ng mas maraming travel tips and travel inspiration para sa mga future travels niyo. And if you're gonna book through Agoda or Klook, please use our codes para makasave kayo on your next stay or tour. Thank you po and God bless!